Ready, go.
Hello, I'm Annie, and we are McCurry Heavy Truck Repair. How did you make out with that 60 series with the 18-speed Ultra Shift today?
Well, that's a great question. We received this truck a week or so ago. It was extended crank, no start, narrowed it down to injector O-rings, was consuming coolant, had a couple ring failures as well. Did find a broken injector body. So we fought through that, got everything sealed up, cups, injectors, everything, new injector number 5, crank starts up right away. Customer also complained of intermittent no trans shift on the Eaton Ultra Shift 18 speed. And we're geared up for all this diagnostics and whatnot. And there's sometimes, man, that you just can't see it through on diagnostics because it's not putting up a fault code and it's a mechanical fault. And Eaton Fuller does a great job with their diagnostics and the tooling they provide, but sometimes it just doesn't work out. So we kind of fought this fight, and I drove this truck around the yard, and I could not get it to shift gears, and I tried it manually, would not do it manually. I'll provide some pictures here, and what I ended up finding was a piece of the upholstery on the firewall covering an 18-pin Deutsch connector, and I can only assume, I'd have to talk to Western Star truck, but I can only assume that this piece is intended to be cut off when this circuitry is put in place, but it had folded down and intermittently get caught in between the brake pedal, the rollers on the brake pedal and the treadle valve, and would just apply the smallest amount of air pressure on the service side, drag the brakes, and would not allow the transmission to shift. So we've obviously since cut this piece out, and transmission shifting like it should have forever. Thanks, guys.